On a crowded city street, a late shift driver named Javier faced fatigue that silenced his mornings and dimmed his dreams. Battling injuries and doubt, he started with tiny daily commitments like 10-minute walks, steady water, and consistent sleep. He swapped rushed meals for simple protein, tracked progress, and found a mentor who turned setbacks into steady lessons. Gradually, the routine sharpened into rhythm, workouts grew smarter, and his mindset shifted from excuses to momentum and gratitude. Today, Javier inspires others by sharing concrete wins and proving that transformation starts with a single brave decision.